formula. Here e raised to power minus j 2 pi divided by capital N. So this is nothing but the Tweedle factor. That is what? That is the Tweedle factor. Is that thing you can replace by W. So formula will be reduced like this. Okay, and by using this formula, you can write this DFT in a matrix form. Okay, and this method solving of this DFT will be quite easier by using the matrix form. Okay, so how you can write the thing in a matrix form, that we will see. Okay, and in your exam probably you will get the 4-point DFT question for the to find out the 4-point DFT. Okay, maximum chances are there you will get the question to find out the 4-point DFT. They will not ask you to 2-point and even 8-point also. Okay, if they are asking for 8 points, so that will be 10 marks question. Okay, so see here, in a Tweedle factor form, as this Wn e raised to power minus j 2 pi by n, capital N. Okay, so this is nothing but the Tweedle factor, and that if you are writing in a, if you are taking that in a uh, Tweedle factor form, so this formula will reduce to the x of k, means DFT is equals to summation of n is equals to 0 to capital N minus 1 x of n, that is the input signal, then Wn nk. Okay, and here k is varying from 0 to capital N minus 1. If you are taking IDFT, means inverse of DFT, then also the formula will be same. Just you have to replace that e raised to power minus j 2 pi by n by the W, and that will be what? That is the Tweedle factor. Okay. So here, as this Tweedle factor is having negative, okay, and in that's why this will be W raised to power minus nk. Okay, so in matrix form, this can be written as, that is x of n, means DFT of the signal. This capital X is, you can write this as a x of k also. Okay, so this is what? This is the DFT of the sequence. Then Wn, this is a Tweedle factor matrix, and then small x, it is input sequence. That is what? That is the input sequence. Okay, so both the sequence will be given, means capital, sorry, small x will be given as the input sequence, and they will ask you to find out the capital X. This, okay, that means Tweedle factor. Sorry, that means DFT of the sequence you need to find out. Okay, अभी DFT find out करने के लिए see here, both the sequence, this means input sequence, this is what, this is the input sequence, and this is what, this is the DFT which you are going to find out. Both are the capital N into one matrix. Okay, and this Wn, this will be the, if you are finding out the 4-point DFT, then this will be the 4 by 4 matrix. If you are finding out the 8-point DFT, this will be 8 by 8 matrix. Or if you see here, small x, it will be given in a question. So if you remember the size of that sequence, that will be, simply it will be given, that is x of n is equals to some 4 points will be given in a curly bracket. So size of that sequence will be capital N minus 1, means length of that sequence, and that is only one row will be there. Okay, so if you remember your previous questions also, x of n was given in that question. Okay, and that was the single one sequence, simply one sequence was there. Okay, so here also in the same manner, the size of that was input sequence will be capital N cross N 1. So that is what, that is the size of the input sequence, and whatever output, means whatever DFT you will get, that is also having same size. Okay, but this Tweedle factor matrix, this is having the n cross n size. Size of that Tweedle factor will be n cross n. Okay, so how to form that Tweedle factor, I will tell you. See here, it is a given over here. Okay, this is your input sequence. This will be given in a question, and this you need to find out. That will be the output sequence or DFT of the sequence. So this you need to find out. So if you see the size of this, so size of this will be n cross 1, means n rows are there and only one column is there. Okay, so here also if you see the size of this, so this will be n cross 1, means n rows are there and only one column is there. But size of this Tweedle factor matrix, this will be n cross n, Means n cross n means what? Twiddle factor, depending upon the depending upon the point, how many point DFT you are calculating. Depending upon that, this size will be there. N cross n. Okay. So see here how to find out this matrix. Okay, because this is a known to you, this sequence is known to you. If you are able to calculate this matrix or find out this matrix, you will know the answer just by the matrix multiplication. Just doing matrix multiplication, you will know the answer. Okay, so how to calculate this matrix? Okay, so for that, what is the value of this W? Okay, what is the W? Please tell me, what will be the W? What is the value of W? Is there anyone?
Is minus 2 pi by n.
Yeah, e raised to power, very good, very good. E raised to power minus j 2 pi divided by capital N. Okay, so that will be the value of W. Okay, Twiddle factor. Okay, so just give me 1 second. Okay, so how to find out this Twiddle factor values? Okay, so see here, this is a W, this is a Kn, value of Kn. Okay, 0, or this is the value of Kn. Okay, so this you can write W raised to power 0, that means Kn. Okay, so here, see here, here you can write N. This is the value of N, and this number of rows, this is the value of K. Okay, values of K. So both the values over here, both the values are 0. Okay, this 0 is nothing but the what? This is the multiplication of Kn. Okay, this is the multiplication of Kn. So K here if you see for the first one, this is N is 0 and K is also 0. Okay, so here for the next element N will be 1, and for the next element K will be also 1. Okay, for the next element this will be 2, K, N will be 2, and so on up to this. This is what? Up to N. What is the value of N? Small n, that is a capital N minus 1. In the same manner, what is the value of K? That is also capital N minus 1. Okay, so this will be simply capital N minus 1. Okay, capital N minus 1. So how they are forming this matrix? See here, for the first element, value of K and N. So this is a 0, both are the 0, so this will be 0. Okay, for the second element, this K is a 0, though N is a small n is 1, 2, 3 up to N minus 1, but for the first row, that K is a 0. So all this is the product of Kn. This W raised to power, what is this raised to power? It is a Kn. Okay, so product of Kn, this will be 0, 0, 0. Okay, in the same manner, this column also, whatever the value of K, but the value of N is 0. So multiplication of this Kn will be the 0, and W raised to power you will get the 0. Okay, for this element, this is here, K is 1, N is also 1, so 1 into 1, this will be 1. Okay, for the next element, this will be K is 1, N is 2, so this will be 1 into 2, so that is raised to power 2. Okay, and this is N minus 1, this is 1, so multiplication this will be N minus 1. For the next term, if you are going, so here K is a what? K is a 2. Okay, so the first value N is 0, so K is a 2, so 2 into 0, so this will be 0. Then 1, 2, so raised to power 2. 2 into 2, so this will be raised to power 4. Then so on up to this will be 2 into N minus 1, like this. Okay, in the same manner you can go for the next step also. If you are taking 3 over here, okay, 3, and here also if it is a 3. Okay, so this will be 3 into 0, so first element w raised to power 0, then 3 into 1, so this will be w raised to power 3, then this will be 3 into 2, so this will be w raised to power 6, then 3 into 3, so this will be w raised to power 9, and then this will be w raised to power 3 into n minus 1, like this. Okay, so for last element if you go, so this n is 0 for the this one, so this will be n minus 1. This k is what? N minus 1 for the last row. Okay, so this will into 0, so this will be 0. Then w n minus 1 into 1, so this will be n minus 1, w raised to power n minus 1. Then multiply by 2, so this will be 2 into n minus 1. Then last element is n minus 1. Here also last element is n minus 1, so product will be n minus 1 into n minus 1. Are you getting this? Is there any
Yes, sir.
ये समझ में आ रहा है सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So how you can form the matrix that I told you. Okay, now how you can calculate all the values over here. Okay, so w raised to power 0. Okay, so what is the value of w? You can put that value, that is e raised to power minus j sorry, I am not able to write, minus j 2 pi so this is a 2 pi, just hold on. Okay, so that value will be value of w, and that is raised to power 0. Actually anything raised to power 0 if you are taking, so that will be 1, no issue. Okay, so this first value is going to be 1, but you can put the value in a formula. Okay, and that formula is w, so that is e raised to power minus j 2 pi upon capital N. Okay, so here this is your e raised to power minus j 2 pi by n, so this is a w. Okay, and here into value of kn. Okay, and here for the first element kn is 0. Okay, so here you need to write the 0. Okay, so this will be e raised to power 0. Okay, and that will be 1. So first row and this one also, this first column, all the values will be 1 1 1. Okay, now this value you need to calculate, w raised to power 1. Okay, so here you need to write 1. Okay, and this capital N will be given in a question, so depending upon that you are calculating this matrix also. Okay, so for example 4-point DFT if you are calculating. Okay, so value of capital N will be simply 4, and this matrix will be 4 by 4. Okay, this n minus 1 will be 3. Okay, this is also 3, so last element will be 3 into 3, that means 9. W raised to power 9 will be the last element. Okay, but how many elements will be there? 4 by 4 matrix will be there, that means 16 elements will be there over here. Okay, total 16 w will be there. Okay, so here you need to find out this one. Okay, so here you need to write 1, and this will be e raised to power minus j 2 pi divided by capital N. Here you are, if you are taking 4, so this will be 4, and this will be cancelled, so this will be pi by 2. For example, for 4-point DFT we are calculating. Okay, so this will be simply pi by 2. Okay, so this will be e raised to power minus j pi by 2. Okay, so you can take this value cos pi by 2 minus j sin pi by 2, and you can calculate this value. Okay, in the same manner for 4-point DFT, if you are taking, if you are calculating this element, okay, raised to power 2. Okay, so raised to power 2, so here you have to write into 2. Okay, so pi by 2, and this 2 will be cancelled out, and it will be simply e raised to power minus j pi for this value. Okay, So this will be cos phi minus j sin phi, and you will get this value. Okay. In the same manner, for 3 also you need to write over here 3, and this will be 3 pi by 2. Okay, so cos 3 pi by 2 minus j sin 3 pi by 2, you will get the next value. Okay, and whatever value you are getting for this, same value over here will be there. Okay. Okay, so that values are going to be repeat. Okay, so maximum what value for 4 point DFT, what value you need to calculate, that is w raised to power 9. Okay, so here you need to write 9, and you need to find out the maximum value, that will be the w raised to power 9. So like this you can calculate the values of this Tudor factor matrix. Okay, or simply this matrix will be same for the all the questions. ये जो ट्यूडल फैक्टर मैट्रिक्स है, जितने भी 4 पॉइंट डीएफटी के लिए क्वेश्चन आएंगे उसके लिए 4 पॉइंट के लिए सेम मैट्रिक्स रहेगा, 8 पॉइंट के लिए सेम मैट्रिक्स रहेगा, 2 पॉइंट के लिए सेम मैट्रिक्स रहेगा. ओके, so you can apply some logic and you can remember that values directly, so it will avoid your calculation part. Okay, so see here how many values you need to calculate. See here, if you are doing the this inverse part, I will tell you later on. Okay, in a question, when I will take the question. Okay, then I will tell you the inverse part. Okay, right now. Okay, so how you can form the matrix. So this is the question. See here, find the DFT of the sequence. Okay, so this is a sequence, this is a sequence, and this is a 4 point DFT. Capital N is 4. So here DFT x of the given sequence may be obtained by solving the matrix product as follows. Here capital N is equals to 4. Okay, so the 4 point DFT, as I told you, if you form the matrix, Tudor factor matrix, this is your DFT, this is your input sequence, this is given in a question. Okay, and this is your Tudor factor matrix. Okay, so as I told you, first row all the elements will be 0, raised to power w raised to power will be 0. For first column also w raised to power, this will be 0. Okay, then here n is 0 1 3 like this, and here k is 0 1 2 3 same. Okay, so this element, this will 1 into 1, this will be 2 into 1. For the next element, for the then this way element, this will be 3 into 1. Okay, same here, k is a 2, and you can multiply to the n. Okay, so the first k is a 2, so 2 multiply by this, so 0, it will be 0, 1, so it will be 2, then 2, so this will be 4, then 2 into 3, so this will be 6. Here k is a 3, so 3 into 0, this will be 0, 3 into 1, this will be 3, then 3 into 2, this will be 6, and then 3 into 3, this will be 9. Okay, so this is the matrix. 2 into 2. If you do the calculation, you will get like these values. How to do the calculation? Write the e raised to power minus j 2 pi upon capital N. Capital N over here is 4, so you need to put this value 4. Okay, you need to put this value 4. Okay, and then just this raised to power is nothing but e raised to power minus j 2 pi by 4 raised to power of w. You need the business over there. Okay, and you have to do simple calculation, and then in terms of cost, you need to write that in calculator. You can do that calculator. You will. Okay, but first value is very clear. First row will be 1 1 1. First column is also 1 1 1 because raised to power 0 is there. Okay, then see here, you can logic also, or you can, if you have any confusion, you can calculate that also in your calculator. As I told you, by using that method you can do the calculation. Otherwise what you can do, first column is 1 1 1, 4 times 1, then 1j combination is there, again same 1 1 is there, then 1j combination is there. Okay, after that you need to remember the sign. Okay, so here in a second column, middle terms will be the negative 1. Okay, and in last column, last two terms will be the negative 1. Okay, and in middle one, you can remember like this term and this term is negative. Okay, so you can apply any logic which is suitable to you or easy to you. Okay. Once again, I am repeating what I am telling, what I am trying to say. See here, 4 times 1 1. First column is 4 times 1 1. Then third column is also 4 times 1 1. Then second column is 1j 1j, and then fourth one is 1j 1j. After that, sign convention you have to remember. In a second column, middle term will be the negative. In third column, or in last column, last terms will be the negative, and in third column, one element you have to skip and then negative sign you need to apply. Okay, so like that also you can remember this matrix, or you can apply any other logic to remember this one, or you can do the calculation also. So you can do the calculation also. Just give me 5 minutes, I will be back. Okay, so is there any doubt in this?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I'm getting different matrix.
Which element you are getting different?
1, 1.
1 1.
The value of K and M. Actually, I'm getting 0.9996 minus J 0.02741.
What you are taking? Cos square. What you are taking angle?
Sir, I guess it's actually my mistake. I'm calculating in degrees. Sir, sorry.
Okay, okay. This element you are getting different one, na?
No, sir. I got the same matrix. Actually, I was calculating in degrees. We have to calculate in radians.
You might be taken some different angle. Is there any matrix? Obviously, because for all the 4-point DFT same matrix will be there. Okay, अगर 4-point DFT पूछा है तो same matrix रहेगा. Okay, if it is a 2-point DFT, so what happen? What will be this matrix? Here value of n will be 0 and 1, value of k will be 0 and 1. Okay, as
2
I told
cross
you,
2 matrix.
first column will be 1 1. Okay, so first of all size क्या रहेगी उस मैट्रिक्स की? If it is a 2-point DFT, साइज क्या रहेगी?
2 matrix.
2 by 2 है ना,
2
स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स. करेक्ट, इट विल बी 2 by 2. ओके, सो कौन से एलिमेंट रहेंगे उसमें? बिकॉज वैल्यू ऑफ कैपिटल एन इज ओनली 2, इट इज 2-point DFT. ओके, सो क्या रहेगा उसमें एलिमेंट? एन का वैल्यू क्या रहेगा? 0 and 1. के का वैल्यू क्या रहेगा? 0 and 1. सो एज आई टोल्ड यू, फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम विल बी w raised to power 0, w raised to power 0 and w raised to power 0 0. Only this element you need to calculate. Okay, so 0 1 0 1 element will be simply 1. 1 into 1, that means 1. Okay, so it will be same something like this. Okay, something like this, same 1 1 1 minus j. Okay, so that values will be something that can be the 2 by 2 matrix or 2-point DFT. How you can find out the 2-point DFT? So here input sequence will be only 2 points be there. Okay, okay, so same thing is there. If they are asking you for the 8-point DFT, okay, so in that case, if you are doing the 8-point calculation, actually this parts are also repeating. Okay, in 8-point also only you need to find out something 8 or 9 this Twiddle factors. Okay, otherwise what happen, this you can see here, this w raised to power 3, this is repeating, w raised to power 6, this is repeating, so w raised to power 2, it is also repeating. Okay, so in Twiddle factor 8-point DFT also most of the values are repeating. Okay, so 7 or 8 values you need to find out. We will take that matrix also. Okay, so first of all we will focus on this 4-point DFT, then I will tell you at last how you can calculate the 8-point DFT also. Okay, 8 point पे शायद ही कोई क्वेश्चन आएगा, मैक्सिमम चांसेस 4 point पे ही है. Okay, so this matrix you can remember. After that, this input sequence you need to write over here. Just by doing the matrix multiplication, you will get the output, this DFT. Okay, matrix multiplication, you know, you need to take this row on this column. Okay, so for the first element, this will be 1 into 1, then 1 into plus 2 plus 1 and plus 0. So this will be 1 plus 2 plus 1. So 3 plus 1, that means 4. Okay, then the next one, next row you need to take, and on this column. Okay, so this will be 1 minus 2j, then minus 1, so that will be cancelled. Okay, so minus 2j will be there, last one will be 0. Okay, then this one, like this you can do the calculation. So here you are taking for third one this will be 1, then minus 2, then 1, so 1 plus 1, this will be 2, then this last one is 0. Okay, so you will get the 0, that 2 minus 2, that will be cancelled out. Okay, 2 and minus 2 will be 0, and it will be 0 last. Then 1j minus 1j, this also you can do, you will get the same values. Okay, so like this you will get the DFT. Okay, now if you are calculating the inverse, okay, so for inverse, as a formula, see here, you need to take the complex conjugate, okay, and transpose of that. Okay, so here 1 by n you need to apply over here. If you check the matrix of inverse, okay, so we will take any numerical. So all these are the same, inverse numerical. Okay, see here, this is the inverse numerical. Okay, so here what you can do, 1 by n, then whatever w is there, so you need to write the complex conjugate of that, and then you need to take the transpose. In a matrix form also, you can just remember the changes, whatever changes are there in this matrix, in this matrix, Tudel factor matrix, because this sequence, this x of k, it is given in a question, that you need to write over as it is. You will get the answer, that is x of n. Whatever answer you will get, that will be your x of n. Okay, so see here again, this is the same. Okay, then first row, first column, you can remember all 1 1 is there, then 1j combination is there. Again this all are the 1 1 1, and then 1j combination is there. Second column, middle terms are the negative, and the last column, last terms are the negative, and here एक एलिमेंट छोड़ के एक नेगेटिव रहेगा. Okay, so like this your Tudel factor matrix. Okay, so you can do this calculation and divide that by the 4. Okay, divide, just divide that by the 4. Why 4? Because 4 point DFT is there, that's why just divide it by 4. Okay, same thing is there, same other numericals. If you need to find out the RDFT, okay, so same thing is there, just same matrix will be there, just you need to divide it by the 4. Matrix is almost same, just you need to divide it by 1 by n.
Sir, can you just wait for 2 minutes? We have to write that sum of inverse.
Sorry?
So I have to write the sum of inverse.
This one.
सर वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन वाला पार्ट बताओ ना सर.
सर इसके नीचे थोड़ा.
ये वाला.
यस सर, हाँ वही.
Okay, just you need to take this row and put on this column. Okay, so first row you need to take, first row लिया मैंने इस column पे, element wise you need to put. Okay, so the first element 1 into 1, Okay, then second 1 into 2, so this will be 1 plus 2, then third one 1 into 1, so this will be 1 plus 2 plus 1, and last one will be 0 plus 0. Okay, you need to take this row, put on this column and add that. Okay, so for second row, that will give you the first element. Okay,
Yes.
then for the second element, second row you need to take, put on this column, same column. Okay, and you need to add all these multiplication elements. Okay, so the first one 1 into 1, then minus j into 2, so this will be minus 2j. Okay, then minus 1 into minus 1, so this will be minus 1, and this 1 into 1, so that will be cancelled out, and this will be simply minus 2j. Okay, करेक्ट है? कोई डाउट है इसमें?
Okay. Yes, sir. सर समझ गया, प्लीज समझ गया.
समझ में आ रहा है? ओके ओके okay, so this is how you can use the matrix method to find out the DFT. Okay, now see here, if it is a 8-point
Sir,
example.
can you show that sum of inverse DFT? थोड़ा नीचे.
IDFT. Okay, in IDFT just you need to see, this is a sequence. Yeah, I think this is some just wait, because complex conjugate you need to take they have given same matrix. Okay, just hold on. Okay, from here I will give you the 8-point DFT, because in that notes 8-point DFT is not there. Okay, so see here, we will directly go to the matrix form. This is a formula for the inverse. These are the properties. Okay, that is changing linearity. Mhm. 8-point DFT I want to show you. Okay. Okay, so now you can see this 2 points. See 2 point matrix over here. See, this is a 2-point matrix. Okay. So okay. So this is the matrix. Okay. If you are taking 8-point DFT, so see here, raised to power 0. Then this one, like this matrix you will get. Okay. First row, first column will be all the elements will be 0. Then here, just value of k is 1. Okay. Forget about this. I will tell you later on. Forget about this right now. Okay. So this is 7. Then multiply by 2 to this one. Okay. Then multiply by 3. Okay. If periodic table you can write actually, multiply by 4, so 4 का टेबल यहाँ पे, then multiply by 5, so 5 का टेबल आपको यहाँ पे दिखेगा, multiply by 6, okay, 6 का टेबल, 7, like this up to the 49, 7 into 7, because this is the 8-point DFT, so this will be n minus 1. This matrix is 8 by 8, okay, and you can do this all this calculation, okay. So here they have taken W over here along with the, okay, that's why this 8 they are writing.